Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will tell you about the function keys on your laptop. So the function keys are located on the top edge of your keyboard, and they have both primary and secondary functions. The primary functions are pretty universal for each device. The F1 button calls the help menu in most applications. The F5 button reloads or refreshes the window or application. Then the F11 button puts media on the full screen, and the F12 opens developer tools in browsers. Now your laptop has its unique functions of practically each of these keys, and you can either use them by holding down the F1 Fn button and selecting one of these keys in order to enable the secondary function, or you can simply disable the Fn lock by pressing Fn button with escape button at the same time, and then just simply press each of these buttons individually. And what functions this button have, let me present it to you. So the F1 button is used to mute audio, the F2 decreases the volume level, the F3 increases the volume level, F4 is used to rewind, F5 is used to pause, and F6 is used to forward the video. So all of these three keys are only used in media control. Now the F7 doesn't do anything. F8 switches the display if you have an external monitor connected to your laptop or maybe a projector. And F9 is used to search. F10 is used to light up your keyboard. F11 is used to decrease the brightness level, and F12 increases the brightness level on your laptop. And that's all the functions I wanted to tell you about. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.